Thanks for listening to the Wall Street Minute, your source for pertinent market news in 3 minutes or less. Today is Thursday, December 22nd, 2022. Here's news moving the markets this morning. Stock futures were muted on early trading on Thursday as traders digested a sharp rally from the previous session. Stock futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 27 points or 0.1%, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 futures were marginally lower. Micron Technology shares slipped 3% pre-market on disappointing quarterly results. Under Armour shares shifted between gains and losses after the athletic apparel maker selected Marriott executive Stephanie Linzer to be its next CEO. The moves followed another positive session for stocks on Wednesday. The Dow gained 526 points, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ composite surged 1.49 and 1.54% respectively. All 11 S&P 500 sectors finished the day with gains led to the upside by energy. Nike and FedEx shares rose on quarterly results, giving some investors hope that earnings are faring decently despite concerns on a downtrend. Strong consumer sentiment data for December also gave markets a lift. While better earnings results likely factored into the upbeat market sentiment Wednesday, oversold conditions may have contributed to the rally as well. Even with Wednesday's gains, stocks are on pace to finish the month with losses. Dow is down 3.5%, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ have tumbled 4.94% and 6.62% respectively. All three major averages are slated to break a 3-year win streak and post their worst yearly performance since 2008. On Thursday, investors await earnings results from CarMax and jobless claims data. Meanwhile, the dollar fell Tuesday as markets started to wind down ahead of the holiday period. The U.S. dollar index, which measures the greenback against a basket of currency, slid 0.4% early Thursday to $103.75, its lowest total in 7 days. By 4:30 a.m., it was trading around $103.94. And that's news moving the markets this morning. Thanks for listening and happy trading.